Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of Mudroom Organization Ideas to start the school year smoothly. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with hooks for hanging school items. Install one or more hooks for each individual. Incorporate more hooks on an unused wall in your mudroom. Extra hooks mean that reaching the bags will be easier and they will not be overcrowded. Add the hooks slightly lowered to enable younger kids to get to them. Hanging their school supplies will teach them to be responsible while storing their items and prevent messes on the floor. Ensure you use stronger hooks hammered to the wall studs for heavier bags. You can also incorporate tiny hooks for smaller school supplies, like lunch boxes. A sanitation station. What better way to get rid of germs when the kids come in and leave the house than incorporating a sanitation station in the mudroom? You will need soap, disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer, fabric or paper towels, and a waste bin. Put the items in one container and label it for easier identification. Put the hand sanitizer close to the door if a sink is unavailable in your mudroom. The wipes will come in handy when the kids need to clean books, bags, or gadgets. Add baskets and bins. Use baskets or bins to make organizing items in the mudroom easier. Each individual can have 2 baskets in their lockers to store their items. Place baskets on the shelf to hold mittens, hats, spray, or sunscreen, and the bins on the floor for large items like shoes and sports gear. Add labels to the bins and baskets with writing or pictures. The labeling system makes it easier when you are sorting and cleaning the mudroom. Which is the best? Adding hooks is the best mudroom organization idea since it is a highly effective way of keeping your mudroom neat and organized. The hooks add more storage space and make use of an empty wall. It is also the best idea since it enables kids to get their school items faster and avoid the hassle of searching through piles of bags or jackets. Thanks for watching.